How to manage automatic downloads access on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage automatic downloads access on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here in the top corner and click settings and then go down until you find this one, site settings, and click on it. And now go down and you will find here automatic downloads. Click on it and here you can manage automatic download access. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.